Today, I've got a quick tip showing you how I take an extra step to sterilize my meat temperature probes. To sterilize your meat temperature probes, you can give them a good scrubbing down in really hot water, and that'll get just about everything off of them. But if you want to get them extremely clean, you need to subject them to some higher heat. You don't want to put them in open flame, like over the burner of a stove or something. That will destroy the interior of this. It's not meant for that high of a temperature, this internal probe. I've destroyed probes before with that. But there is a way to do it right before you are starting your cook. So here's a probe that I've already washed in extremely hot water, scrubbed it, and now I'm going to give it that extra little step. Let me show you. I've already got my electric smoker going here for a cook I'm going to be doing. The internal temperature, this is almost at 200 degrees. This is the perfect time to do this. The meat isn't ready to go in yet, but I can use that temperature in here to help sterilize this just a little bit more, and I'm going to be needing some clean aluminum foil. I'm just going to lay the aluminum foil there on the cooking rack and lay my food temperature probe on that. Close it up. That's going to subject that probe to temperatures in excess of 200 degrees, which is going to help destroy any other contaminants, bacteria on there, and give it just that little bit of extra clean. I've started doing this now on just about every cooking session, just to give that probe a little bit of extra cleaning after the initial cleaning. And that's it. You just wait for your smoker or your grill to come up to temperature, and when you're ready to put your piece of meat in there, take the probe, put it in. It's going to already be hot, and it's going to be just that much more sterilized beyond just scrubbing it with like hot soapy water. The key though is to always give it that good washing first, get all the little bits off. This is just that extra step to give it some further cleansing. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you again soon.